Level up your life. Digital detox hacks for a calmer, clearer you in 2024. Hey everyone, and welcome to Manatee Minds. Today, we're diving into a wonderful and sometimes overwhelming world of technology. Let's find out how we can thrive in the digital age. In this first episode, we'll be focusing on 3 key areas to cultivate a healthy and positive digital experience: mastering digital detox techniques, becoming a misinformation-fighting superhero, and building a strong, positive digital identity. So grab your metaphorical flippers because we're about to embark on a journey of digital empowerment. Part 1, the power of unplugging, digital detox techniques. Let's face it, our devices are amazing tools, but sometimes they can feel like a leash, constantly pulling us back into the digital world. That's where digital detox comes in. It's about taking conscious breaks from technology to recharge our minds and bodies. But how do we actually do it? 1. Identify your triggers. What apps or notifications constantly pull you in? Turn off push notifications or silence them during designated unplug times. 2. Schedule screen-free zones. Create sacred spaces in your day or week where technology is off limits. 2. Maybe it's dinner time, bedtime, or even a whole weekend getaway. 3. Find alternative activities. Fill the void left by technology with activities you enjoy. 3. Go for a walk, read a book, spend time with loved ones. 3. Your brain will thank you. Part 2. Become a misinformation master. Okay, let's talk about the ever-growing stream of information online. Not all of it is created equal, and some can be downright misleading. But fear not. Here are some tips to become a misinformation-fighting extraordinaire. 1. Check the source. Who created the content? Are they a reputable organization or just an anonymous social media account? 2. Look for evidence. Does the information have factual backing? Can you find credible sources that corroborate it? 3. Be wary of emotional triggers. Strong emotions can cloud judgment. 3. Headlines designed to shock or outrage might not be the whole story. Part 3. Building a positive digital identity. Our online presence is a reflection of ourselves. Let's make it a positive one. 1. Curate your content. What do you want the world to see? Share positive experiences, engage in meaningful discussions, and showcase your passions. 2. Be mindful of privacy settings. Review your social media settings regularly and adjust them to feel comfortable with what information you share publicly. Remember, digital technology is a tool with many addictive features. Let's use it consciously and responsibly to create a more balanced and fulfilling online experience. We'll be diving deeper into each of these topics in future episodes, so stay tuned. And for now, thanks for joining us at Manatee Mind, where education happens without exclusion. Leave a comment below and tell us, what are your biggest challenges with digital wellness? How can we support each other in this journey? If you like our content, please do like, comment, and subscribe.